Diane here from Vermont Lavender, and I just want to welcome you to my new shop that will be happening sometime this year. We're still not sure of the opening date. So this is the entry point right here, and I'll have some sort of display and the customers will walk right in here. We're still working on the flow of where things will be displayed and all that. It's still in the planning stage. So then right here I'll have the lotions and soaps and body butters and all that stuff. And then either this will be my little storage area, or I will have this area here for like local artists to display their paintings or their drawings so they can sell them. I want to support local artists, but also it helps with tourists that come in, they want to buy some local art. So this right here is the main retail area shop. And so this will be more area for whatever. And then right here, we're thinking this will be our counter for the customers to check out. So this area back here is the manufacturing area, and this will be where I will be making my products. And so we don't have the bathroom in yet, or the sink or anything like that, so it's going to go here. And then over here, I will have, like, this will be my shipping area. And then this will be a big window. So a lot of it is storage, and this big area right here will be where I make a lot of the product and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what we're thinking about. And then I just want to show you the beams up here. This is from 1825. This is when this house was built, and that's why it's taking so long to rehab it, because nothing is even or straight or level. So when the carpenter and my husband are done, everything will be perfect. So right here, these beams right here are from 1825, and we just want to preserve a lot of the architecture that was built in 1825 and just give that real Vermont way of life and how it looked back then. So a little bit of history. So I just want to say thank you for joining me today. If you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, it's Vermont Lavender, and I will be having many more updates on my YouTube channel. So if you want to share this video or like it and subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. And I will have those updates for you. So have a great day, and thank you for joining me.